Understanding website hosting. Website hosting is an essential component of building a successful online presence. Whether you are a beginner looking to launch your first website or someone with more experience, mastering website hosting is crucial for ensuring your site's stability, security, and overall performance. This comprehensive guide aims to provide beginners with the necessary knowledge and understanding to navigate the world of website hosting effectively. To start, it is important to understand what website hosting entails. In simple terms, website hosting refers to the process of storing and serving your website's files on a server. These servers are owned and maintained by hosting companies, which offer different types of hosting plans to suit various needs and budgets. The first step in mastering website hosting is to choose the right hosting plan for your website. There are several types of hosting available, including shared hosting, virtual private server, VPS, hosting, dedicated server hosting, and cloud hosting. Each type has its own advantages and limitations, so it is crucial to evaluate your website's requirements and choose accordingly. Shared hosting is the most affordable option and is suitable for small websites with low traffic. In this type of hosting, multiple websites share the same server resources, which can sometimes lead to slower loading times and limited customization options. On the other hand, VPS hosting offers a dedicated portion of a server's resources to your website, providing better performance and control. Dedicated server hosting, as the name suggests, offers an entire server dedicated solely to your website. This type of hosting is ideal for large websites with high traffic and resource-intensive applications. However, it is also the most expensive option and requires advanced technical knowledge to manage effectively. Cloud hosting is a relatively newer concept that utilizes multiple servers to host your website's files. This type of hosting offers scalability and flexibility, making it suitable for websites that experience fluctuating traffic. Additionally, cloud hosting often comes with enhanced security features and automatic backups. Once you have chosen the right hosting plan, the next step is to set up your website. This involves registering a domain name, which serves as the address for your website, and connecting it to your hosting account. Most hosting providers offer domain registration services, making this process seamless and straightforward. After setting up your website, it is crucial to optimize its performance and security. This can be done through various means, such as installing a content delivery network, CDN, to improve loading times, enabling caching to reduce server load, and implementing a robust security solution to protect against cyber threats. Regularly monitoring and maintaining your website is equally important. This involves keeping track of your website's uptime and performance, updating software and plugins, and regularly backing up your files. Many hosting providers offer monitoring and maintenance tools, making it easier to ensure your website is running smoothly. In conclusion, mastering website hosting is essential for anyone looking to establish a successful online presence. By understanding the different types of hosting, choosing the right plan for your needs, setting up your website correctly, and optimizing its performance and security, you can ensure a seamless user experience and maximize the potential of your online venture. With this comprehensive guide for beginners, you now have the knowledge and tools to embark on your website hosting journey confidently.